This is a tutorial on using the parts credits due for PPRs dashboard or report in AP. We're going to go to Workspaces. I'm assuming you can already log in at this point. If not, please check the AR tutorial. I've gone over that in both AR tutorials. Workspaces, Finance, Accounts Payable. This is a synopsis of our accounts payable. You can click on any one of them to go to a detailed report. I'm not going to go over much of these AP parts or AP tabs, but this third tab is Parts Return Credits. On the left, we have a total by department. On the right, we have PPRs with their branch, customer, invoice type, etc. There's a few from other manufacturers, but it looks like C&H is the big one. After this, I may add another table showing totals by manufacturer. So if you see a third table, probably right in between these two, it will be by manufacturer, and you will be able to click it to filter this one on that manufacturer. You can click this one to filter by office. So say I want to see just the ones for PPO1, Parts Purchase Office 1. There's the tickets. 2, 3. Let's get another big one. Whoa. They're all small, except for the first few, but there's a bunch in Belton. Euless just has some big ones. Anyway, you get the idea. To get rid of that filter or click, you can click up here somewhere. Well, maybe. Oh no. How do I get out? Click total. That'll work to undo the filter. You can also come over here and say I'm on the filter there. You can click the eraser next to invoice. No, don't click that one. Never mind, that doesn't work. Just click total. So there's your PPOs. Just like AR, use the 3 dots. Don't use those 3 dots. Use these 3 dots. Export to Excel, export data. Then use summarized. Export. PPRs. Save. Open. Of course, it's on the wrong screen. Delete those first 2 lines. Highlight all the columns. Double click the edge of that column. And it auto fits. There you go. You can sort just like on the other one. Sort by office, then by AP balance amount, largest to smallest. Okay. There's branch 1. We want to say smallest to largest because it considers a larger negative number to be smaller. You know, -2 is less than -1. It's goofy. Okay, there we go. Save, close. That's pretty much the extent of this one. Again, reset to default will get rid of all your filters. If you can't remember to click total, just remember that button. Okay, that's all I have for this tutorial. Thanks, hope it helps.